Depends what spawns, to be honest. If the final boss ship's big, it'll take either a fucking hellish good maneuver or...
So much the video. That's amazing.
But you know, the core has definitely got a fuel scoop on it, because I landed outside on so I can't remember which planet it was, and
Before we get started,
it had
let
like
me break
50
down
fuel
how this
on,
patrol
and then I
will
came
work.
back, and then it was
We'll
like,
check each point to make sure it's clear.
That's
Then
pretty cool.
move on.
I didn't know that was a thing.
Corporate
Because I was talking to Jack
ordered
actually last
us
night
to
with the
run
game,
these ops remotely.
and I was
So
telling him
I'll
about like some of the
stay here
ships, and he
and
thought
monitor
the 890 was like pointless. Like bigger ships are just pointless.
no.
And I'm like, how is it like? He's like, the game isn't really getting that much appeal because it's space or something like he was sitting saying to me, and I'm like, I don't agree with you because he's like, because why would you need a super yacht? And I'm like, why wouldn't you? Because like,
It's cool.
it's the same. It's the same. It's not even that. It's the same in the real world. Like, are you gonna, if you're rich as fuck, are you gonna take public transport, or are you gonna take your yacht that you have, or like, or you can like pay someone to like if I'm it's basically saying like, if I'm rich enough and I'm at an airport and I can pay either for for like a public plane or pay for a private jet, what am I gonna do if I'm fucking loaded? I'm gonna go in the private jet. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Same with the space. Like if you're gonna go to one planet, what am I gonna take? The super yacht or fucking a shitty fucking
Industrial.
yeah, exactly. I'm gonna take the fucking super yacht, obviously. I just got a swimming pool and all that fucking.
So,
Well.
no, I said it was harder. They're a lot harder. What's the constellation?
It's a constellation. They're yours are not bad. They're meaty, but I don't think they do much damage.
No.
I've fought before.
Too close blacks.
I'll get all of that one. Go for the cutty blacks. They'll lose the DPS, then go for the. Don't use your missiles and then because you can do them without missiles. We've done them before.
We're gonna have these, I'm gonna get missile shot.
Warning, weapon system overheating.
I always get missile shot as soon as
Did you see recording this?
Overheating.
Just make sure your skills stay up.
I wish I had it on like a high room.
Warning,
Down
weapons
on
overheating.
this room. Shit.
But that seems annoying to get.
Warning, weapon system overheating.
Track IR. Put it on your headset and you can move your head around and it looks around the screen.
Target destroyed.
You know what I'm talking about?
I do find the appeal, but it's good.
Warning, weapon system overheating.
I think it's more. I don't know. I never cared. I think I was watching a video and the guy had like foot pedals. Maybe you're looking for the track IR house and it goes on your headset and you can move your head around and look. I kind of watch the ship as it goes.
Overheating.
I don't know.
Warning, weapon system overheating.
That ship's fucked. Look how red it is.
Target destroyed.
Yep. Is it only these ships you fight? That's it. You want the missile? What's that? Oh, it's just chaff.
Warning, weapon system overheating. Warning, weapon system overheating.
Dodge it! Dodge it! Dodge it! Why'd you be a landing group?
Deployed. Warning, overheating.
You actually dodge it?
Yeah,
You do know they come back.
it went back to that same upload distance.
But, oh, they bought, okay. They can come back though, I've seen it come back before. Imagine this in VR, man, it'd be so sick.
Shields hit.
Actually, your front shields are down. That's it, then your front shields. Over that dead.
No, it's like 30%. No, it's 100.
Okay, it looked like it was down.
Lock. Missiles drop.
Oh, right on the side.
Shields.
I don't think you can feel the difference.
Should overheats too quickly.
Can't think about that. Elliot, like, yeah, so he. I used to buy another cooler for that though.
No. I have the best cooler in the game on this ship.
I'm sure you did. I'm sure you said you found another one. Or you realised it could have another one.
It's got little. I'll check after this.
I'm sure you did say that. Or something like that. You said you like, oh, you didn't realise it took 2 or something.
Thing is though, it can drop from like 12,000, so it's cool. It's normal 6,000.
Actually, hitting the side shields, go for the fucking back. Back has no shields. There you go. You're hitting it. Constellations are still outdated, by the way. They're really one of the first ships in the game. Yeah, they're good.
These are a lot, like these are marginally harder than the other ones.
Come back to my YouTube video.
I'll definitely. I might die though, because I don't have any missiles left. End up taking. It's great with this ship because if you get the wing shut off, don't really turn. The thing is though, most of the main thrusters are on the body. The only thing you do is on the wings, which are for the in-atmosphere maneuverability.
Okay.
Oh man, just 2 fucking turrets.
Warning. Engines overheating. Okay. Warning. Engines overheating.
But sorry.
You look at my little enemy there.
Have any enemy? Oh, turrets though. That's fine. The turret. Don't let them hit you though, man. The turrets hit you, man. They do so much damage.
Overheating.
You're focusing the side with the most shields though. You keep taking the shields on one side and then swapping sides. See?
I know, but I don't want to stay still.
Move up and down then, not move fucking left and. I don't know, just. There you go, shield down. Oh.
Target destroyed.
I think you're gonna die, Harrison.
No, everything's at 100.
Yeah, but still. Can't really see the damage done to your ship. I hate that. They never better damage models see how much damage you've actually took to your ship.
The limits to the damage.
Yeah, but still, weapons go for the shields. This guy goes for two.
Shields. Warning. Weapon system overheating. Warning. Weapon system overheating. Target destroyed. Shields full.
That hit me.
Oh, I'm not watching, sorry.
They still hit the back of the ship, but it didn't explode the ship.
Bogey.
I forgot myself.
Chilly as fuck, man.
Engines overheating.
Oh shit, I'm not
Oh, Jack 7 kids been happy. Oh, no. No, it wasn't.
Shields hit. Warning. Weapon system overheating.
You mean the chaff button or the missile button?
The
Target destroyed.
decoy, whatever, doesn't matter channel.
J or G? Or H? It's one of those. G or H.
It's H. H is points, I don't think always look at points
Warning. Weapon system overheating. Shields full. Warning. Weapon system overheating.
I look at
Oh, it might play it. It might play it, can. We play when you get like when you are all on it or something. Like, oh, I'm getting back into the game now.
Target
Ben
destroyed.
buys. Oh, there, just
Shields hit. Warning. Weapon system overheating. Warning. Weapon system overheating. Shields full. Target destroyed.
there was some things that needed to do. I don't think I would have stayed with this game if the combat wasn't as good.
Oh, you think the combat's actually good?
What?
You should do better than real people.
I should. Comment. Constellation.
Can you imagine that? Like, you actually have to chase them down to the planet and then take them out on the planet. Because I can go from a space fucking tracking mission to on planet. That's just dynamite in my mind. Do you know what I mean?
Chase to the station. Power down those turrets. Screens are broken. I guess I'm
Warning. Weapon system overheating. Warning. Weapon system overheating. Shields hit.
I think when I get this cut this black, I might outfit it with biggest like, weapons I can. Because it's got a lot more hit points and shields.
Warning.
Shields are
Weapon system overheating.
shields are a lot higher. So it's not really very much. So stable.
Oh, I'm so tired. I might go to bed. I might force myself to stay awake all day.
Shields
That Ben's ever answered my phone call unless I'm right in front of him. Unless I'm in the same call with him. Then it's pointless.
target destroyed.
Well, that was close, Harrison. I never go for your shoe.
Don't
Like, I know it- I know- I know it-
yeah.
I know, but I was gonna get for your shoe.
One of these this again.
Shields at 70%.
Warning. Weapon system overheating.
What was that? I'm so tired. Oh, BRB.
Shit!
Warning. Weapon system overheating. Target destroyed. Okay. Okay.
Shit!
Shields hit. Target destroyed. Shields full. Target destroyed. Warning. Weapon system overheating. Shields full. Target destroyed. Shields full.
Shit!
Warning. Weapon system overheating. Warning. Weapon system overheating. Shields hit. Shields full. Warning. Weapon system overheating.
You're fighting that? Good luck.
Warning. Weapon system overheating.
I think it's got like 5-6 guns on it, man. It's ridiculous because it's got like 4 turrets or some shit. 2 remote, 2 manned, and the pilot ray guns. And then it's got door gunners if they choose
Warning.
mount it.
Overheating.
Yeah, nice one.
Your wing's gone.
Top of that. It's still on. Yeah.
I need to hold my breath.
Shields on this one.
Warning. Weapon system overheating. Warning. Weapon system overheating. Shields hit. Shields full. Warning. Weapon system overheating.
did it. Oh, that was good. Let's put up the damages. I didn't actually lose that much. That's actually a mess.